the Emerald Cup, y'all. Venue area. There's gonna be some live music going down here a little bit. Pretty pumped on this shit. There's a lot of really good bands out here this year, that's for sure. What do you guys think? You want to go check out some art? That thing, look at that thing.
We out here,
and
that's
it's
an
rolled.
$800 check.
We out here, we're gonna go see the homies over at Cookies. They on that bullet. Look at the view from up here. What's happening, everybody? This is Tate with Key2 Life Supply. Thank you so much for all the support over the years. You guys have let us team up with amazing people and do amazing things. Thank you.